I have a Kenmore Model 402 to 89,032,012 that is not heating. I have replaced the thermostat about a year or two ago. Additionally, when I try to run it for any set time, 30 or 45 minutes, it shuts off after running for about 3 minutes.
Can you guesstimate how old your Kenmore is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
7 years old. Kenmore Model 402 to 89,032,012.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. So first, the dryer will shut off early if there aren't wet clothes inside the dryer. If it doesn't have wet clothes that go around and touch the moisture sensor every couple minutes, the timer will just drop down in time and shut the cycle off early. Make sure you have wet clothing inside the dryer when you're testing it or it'll shut off early. If it's still shutting off early, make sure the 2 silver strips below the lint filter area inside the drum aren't physically damaged, as this is your moisture sensor. If that checks good, the front interface board is just going bad and not reading the sensor properly, so the interface board would need to be replaced. As for the dryer not heating, it sounds like your element went bad or your high limit cutout went bad. If you remove the 3 screws along the bottom of the lower front panel, the lower front panel will pull down and off. This will give you access to the heating element canister under the drum on the right side. Unplug the dryer and look on the left side of the heating canister. There are 2 little devices with 2 wires connected to each of them. The one near the back is your cutoff. Check the resistance of this part, and if it doesn't have continuity through it, it needs to be replaced. Now if the heater checks good, and the 2 devices attached to the left side of the heater have continuity, either your main relay control board is bad or the dryer isn't getting 220 volts. Test the junction block on the back of the dryer to make sure it's getting 220 volts and not just 110 volts, because the dryer will run with 110 volts but it won't dry without 220 volts. If that checks good, the main relay control board above the dryer drum mounted to the left side wall will need to be replaced. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
I replaced the cutoff and it took care of the problem, but the next day I have the same problem again. What could be causing the cutoff to keep burning up?
If the cutout failed again, make sure the vent through your house isn't clogged. Also, unplug the wires going to the heater and test continuity from one terminal on the heater to the case of the heater. You should have no continuity, but if you find you have continuity, then your heater is grounded out and needs to be replaced. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Thank you. I'll check it out when I get home from work this evening.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.